Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new user profiles on Asus ROG Ally. And to do this, we'll need to click on this start, then go to your settings, find the account. Now we can scroll down a bit, there's other users. You can click on add account to create new user profile, enter their name, and you can enter, it's optional, you can enter the password for this account, for this user profile, but if you don't want to have any password on it, simply click on next. And here we have it, we just created our new profile. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.